The United Nations Environment Programme announced on Monday that the Blue Circle, a marine plastic pollution control model from China, won the 2023 Champions of the Earth Award. Launched in Taizhou City, East China's Zhejiang province, the pilot project uses Internet of Things and blockchain technologies to trace and recycle marine plastic waste.
This phone case in my hand seems to be normal, but actually this is made out of the discarded plastic bottle from the ocean right behind me. What's more, if you scan the QR code, you can find out how it is produced by using blockchain technology.
我们自己开发了一套叫基于区块链的一个可视化追溯系统。那我们通过就扫码，我能看到这个产品的原材料是谁在什么地方捡的，那谁运的，谁加工的，谁制造的，那这样就一目了然。那这样就我们获得了一个国际的一个品牌商跟消费者的认可。
So far, over 200 enterprises in Zhejiang has been involved in the Blue Circle.
我们主要负责海洋塑料的清洗和熔融造粒，造粒后的成品粒子可应用于包装材料、工业制造、服装家纺等。我们相信，未来随着蓝色循环的成功复刻，海洋塑料未来的发展前景是广阔的，有更大的潜力可以挖掘。
With the successful operation of the project, an operating mechanism on marine plastic pollution control is taking shape.
我们考虑到，这个本来就是个新生事物，那么我们怎么去引领它，怎么去唤醒民众对海洋保护的这种重视，使广大的更多的民众参与到海洋保护中来，最大的成效就是我们处理了当前我们沿海的一些海洋废弃物。 那么整个海洋废弃物的模式呢，慢慢形成。